Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program. Today is 29th April. If we see today's highlights, so we are mentioning four highlights. First highlight is related to heat wave to severe heat wave conditions, which is likely to continue over East India till 1st May, and there is a possibility of protection thereafter gradually. And heat wave conditions likely to continue over South Peninsular India during the next 5 days. And third point is related to heavy rainfall, which is likely to continue over northeast India during the next 4 or 5 days. And last point is related to the continuation of a spell of rainfall over western region today and decrease thereafter. So these are the four items of highlights, and these are some of the observed weather which is related to mainly to heat wave to severe heat wave conditions, which are prevailing since 5th of April over East India, especially Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal. Accordingly, heat wave prevailed at many places over Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal, and severe heat wave conditions at isolated locations over these pockets. Heat wave conditions also prevailed over Bihar, interior Karnataka, Rayalaseema, and along coastal Maharashtra, including Konkan region. As regards hailstorm activity, which was reported over Jammu Kashmir division and also over Assam Meghalaya, and as regards heavy rainfall reported over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. In Arunachal Pradesh, rainfall of the order of 11 cm reported at one or two stations, of the order of 7 to 9 cm over Assam and Meghalaya, especially in Silchar and Imphal regions. Otherwise, light to moderate rainfall reported over some isolated pockets over Kerala region, parts of South Peninsular India, part of Northwest India, including plains of Northwest India. Now, if we see yesterday's maximum temperature scenario, so as we already mentioning that heat wave to severe heat wave conditions are prevailing over eastern parts of the country. Accordingly, temperature are above normal by 4 to 7 degrees Celsius over east and northeast India, adjoining regions of northeast India, and above normal by 2 to 5 degrees Celsius over parts of South Peninsular India, including Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, adjoining Telangana, and interior Karnataka, and also over coastal region of Maharashtra. Some isolated patches also reported above normal over Saurashtra region. Otherwise, over northwest India, central India, temperatures are either normal or below normal categories because of thunderstorm activities over these regions. If we see today's synoptic system, so we are having one western disturbance which is seen as a cyclone circulation roughly over eastern parts of Afghanistan in lower levels, with trough in middle and upper tropowesterlies roughly 65 degree east and 27 degree north. And there is a cyclone circulation over northwest Rajasthan, which is induced cyclone circulation, and there is a cyclone circulation over northeast Assam region, and there is a trough runs from Bihar to Manipur across sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Bangladesh regions. There is a trough runs from Vidarbha to interior Karnataka region, and there is a cyclone circulation over South Tamil Nadu region, which was yesterday over Gulf of Mannar or adjoining common area. So these are some of the important synoptic systems. So under the influence of western disturbance and its induced cyclone circulation, there is a possibility of continuation of rainfall activity over western region and adjoining region of Punjab today. And under the influence of this Saisar over northeast Assam, which is persisting since many days over this region, and the trough from Bihar to Manipur activity is likely to continue over northeast India. So accordingly, we can say that heat wave, first we will discuss 5 days warning, first heat wave warning. So we are giving heat wave to severe heat wave conditions mainly over eastern parts of the country, including eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, interior Karnataka and Kerala, and some possibility of isolated patches over Konkan region and also over Saurashtra and Kutch region for today. Tomorrow more or less same conditions. So accordingly, heat wave to severe heat wave conditions likely to continue over eastern parts of the country, including Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and interior Karnataka. On 1st of May, Again, heat wave condition likely to continue over eastern parts of the country. So in nutshell, we can say that heat wave to severe heat wave conditions likely to continue over eastern parts of the country and south central India during the next 4-5 days. However, there is a possibility of reduction over eastern parts of the country from 2nd of May, that is after 1st of May. Next, warm night conditions. So warm night conditions likely to prevail over eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, interior Maharashtra, especially Marathwada and Madhya Maharashtra region, and interior Karnataka on 29th April, and on 30th again interior Karnataka likely to witness warm night conditions on 30th April and 1st of May, and same condition likely to continue over interior Karnataka during the period of 2nd and 3rd May. In nutshell, in summary, we can say that warm night conditions likely to continue over interior Karnataka during next 4-5 days, and warm night conditions likely to prevail today over eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh and interior Maharashtra, especially Marathwada and Madhya Maharashtra. If we see the hailstorm warnings under the influence of western disturbance, there is a possibility of hailstorm activity over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Punjab region today, and tomorrow this activity will reduce. Accordingly, no hailstorm warning has been given any parts of the country except over Sikkim region on 1st of May. Now, if we see heavy rainfall warning, so heavy rainfall is expected over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh today under the influence of western disturbance, and again the heavy rainfall is expected to continue over Arunachal Pradesh today, and tomorrow heavy rainfall is expected over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya. On 1st of May, heavy rainfall is expected over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, and heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura on 2nd of May. From 3rd of May, no heavy rainfall warning has been issued by IMD. Now, this is again the repetition of rainfall distribution. So accordingly, just we can say that the spell of rainfall likely to continue over western region today. Accordingly, widespread activity is expected to continue over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh today, scattered activity over Punjab and Uttarakhand today, and isolated activity over Haryana, western parts of Uttar Pradesh and western parts of Rajasthan. And today isolated activity with thunderstorm is expected over eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And again, fairly widespread activity likely to continue over northeast India, including Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, and scattered activity over Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, and isolated activity also expected over Sikkim today. And intensity of the rainfall will decrease over western region. However, light to moderate rainfall is expected to continue on 30th of April over Jammu Kashmir with fairly widespread distribution, and isolated to scattered activity is expected over Punjab, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh region. The activity of fairly widespread to widespread activity are likely to continue over northeast India during next 4-5 days, and isolated activity is expected over parts of south central India during the next 4-5 days, especially over Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So this is the related to distribution of rainfall, as we are telling about heat wave condition on daily basis. So again and again follow the instructions issued by state government related to heat wave conditions in your respective states, and follow our Facebook and Twitter pages. So this is all about today's briefing. Till then, we will update tomorrow. Till then, Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.